Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my pro-level skincare routine that works for all skin types. Whether you've got oily, dry, or combination skin, this one's for you. So let's dive straight in. First up, cleansing. This is arguably the most important step. A good cleanser removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin. I recommend using a gentle cleanser. Apply it with a gentle circular motion and rinse with lukewarm water. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next, we have exfoliation. Now, you don't need to do this every day. Exfoliating 2-3 times a week is perfect to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. You can use a scrub or a chemical exfoliant like AHA or BHA. Remember, over-exfoliating can harm your skin, so take it easy. Moving on to toner. Toners help balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. Look for alcohol-free toners with ingredients like rose water or witch hazel. They're gentle and effective. Now let's talk serums. Serums are powerhouse products. I love using ones with vitamin C, niacinamide, or hyaluronic acid. When applying, press the serum into your skin. Don't rub. This helps with better absorption and avoids irritation. After serums, it's time to moisturize. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a must. For oily skin, use a lightweight moisturizer. For dry skin, go for something thicker and more hydrating. Moisturizing keeps your skin barrier healthy and happy. And finally, sunscreen. This step is non-negotiable. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Apply it generously every morning, even on cloudy days. For optional steps, consider adding face masks, eye cream, and lip balm to your routine. Use a face mask once a week to give your skin that extra boost. Eye cream can help with under-eye circles, and a good lip balm keeps your lips soft and hydrated. Alright, let's recap the routine briefly. Start with a cleanser, exfoliate a few times a week, use a toner, apply a serum, moisturize, and finish with sunscreen. If you like this routine, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite skincare product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.